the big tech stocks keep going up. Some of them are up so much. So let's talk about this. Should you sell? First, you would be advised to have some rules. Like if a stock becomes more than 10% of your overall portfolio, or maybe more than 10% of the account it's in, it should be cut back. When you take profits on a stock, you don't necessarily have to sell all of that stock. You could sell a portion of it. And you don't necessarily have to have a place to put the money. Sometimes you can just put the money into a 6-month T-bill, a money market, or the sweep account at your brokerage firm, and you leave it there until something better comes along. Or maybe you buy a bond. Maybe what you're going to do is use a trailing stop loss order. It's another way to add discipline to your portfolio. But the key is there is not going to be a perfect time to sell, and no one is going to tell you when the perfect time to sell is. But if you make your selling decisions based on your rules-based approach to investing, or you make your selling decisions based on your own personal finance needs, you are right whether or not the stock kept going up or the stock went down. And that's the position I want you to be in.